We'll be constructing a triangle given the length of 3 sides. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a baseline distance at 1 for the base AB, and we use a T-square and a pencil to draw this line. So this is A, B. Then we're going to open our compass to the length of the side AC. Going to measure the distance. Then we're going to put it at A, mark an arc. We're going to measure the distance BC, put it center point at B, mark an arc. Where the two arcs intersect, that is C. So we're going to join from B to the intersection and from this intersection to A. Then we're going to label the top of the triangle C. We're going to darken BC, sorry. Then we're going to darken CA. So we're going to use our T-square now to draw guidelines 4 millimeters apart. So use our T-square and pencil or a ruler and a pencil to draw these guidelines 4 millimeters apart. So we're going to label to construct a triangle given the 3 sides. Good job if you follow the line. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of a triangle given the 3 sides. In the next video, we'll be drawing a similar triangle but with a different perimeter. At CAD with Mr. Hugh, we aim to become your favorite math channel, and we thank you for joining us. Please take care until then. Bye.